this video, I will show you how to fix PUBG Battlegrounds not launching on PC. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, the first thing you'll need to do is to go ahead and open your settings. So from here, you need to go ahead and head over into the Windows Update section. And then under this, you need to go ahead and click on check for updates. So the first thing you can do is to update Windows. Install any available updates and then restart your PC. Now, if your Windows device is updated and it still doesn't resolve the issue, the second option that you have is to close unnecessary programs on your PC or laptop. So we'll need to exit the settings first. So simply click on this X button at the top right of the screen. And then once this is closed, we'll need to click on Control Shift Escape on the keyboard to open Task Manager. So in here, go ahead and look for background apps consuming high CPU or memory. So simply click on that app and then click on this End Task button at the top right of this pop-up to be able to close this program. Now, once you have done this and the issue still persists, the last option that you have is to update your graphics driver. So to be able to do that, you'll need to open your device manager. So we'll need to close this task bar and then click on Win X on your keyboard, and then from there click on device manager. So once you have opened device manager, go ahead and expand display adapters. So right click on your GPU and then select update driver. So that's basically how you can fix PUBG Battlegrounds not launching on PC. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.